Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, owner of a Google partner company, as well as an SEO and digital marketing consultant. So let's get started with the question I have today. And the question is, does your account get disapproved due to compromised site and circumventing system? Google flagged all our accounts and got all disapproved. Okay, that is a very sad thing appeared with your Google Ads account. And there are a few things, which if I were you, if in case happened that all your accounts are got disapproved and all your ads are, it means that your IP is in blacklist. Okay, there may be a website happening on your website, on your hosting, which causes a massive malware or hacking for Google users, end users, and Google now suddenly blocked all the websites hosted on that IP. That can be an issue, and we may need to do a fresh scan. We may need to ask the Google team regarding solving this case, and we may need to open a personalized support channel with them to get it sorted. But the other scenarios we may need to look around for this is that your ad gets suspended for compromised side or circumventing system, is that maybe you have done a massive, a theme change. You can have done theme change on all your websites. Okay, this can be an issue. Or a hosting change. Okay, hosting change. Or if all your hosting are on a single account, if all your websites are on a single account, someone has hacked your hosting account and put a massive malware on your account. That can be another reason for this, because that I'm more concerned over here is that all your accounts are flagged and all your ads are disapproved. Now for two reasons: compromised site and circumventing system. Now with compromised site, I assume that some malware is over there, or some link issues over there. But with circumventing system is that the guy has also added other links to your website apart from malware scanner. So that can be two of the reasons. So I'm just over here assuming, but I may need to do a detailed audit, deep audit. And I have also done cases regarding many accounts which were, their ads were suspended. I mean, their ads were disapproved for compromised site or circumventing system, and we have been helping around. So in case if you need such service in resolving your Google ads being disapproved for compromised site, or Google ads being disapproved for circumventing system, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description to get it sorted, and we may do a detailed audit of your account, of your website, and we may even suggest you the changes required to get it sorted and get your ads up and running. We can help you in doing all this stuff. So in case if you need service, just click on the link in the description to get started, and we can help you in getting it, because we understand that every day you are losing a lot of money, and we can help you in getting restored. So in case if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video, and make sure to like our subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, guys get a notification. And in case again, even in case if you need a setup for Google ads, Facebook ads, or SEO or technical SEO landing page management, team can help you. The details are in the description of this video and how you can reach with us for different scenarios, and we will be gladly love to work with you. So thank you for watching this video. Take care and bye bye.